Hello to all of my subscribers and just anyone who's watching this video. Listen, I know I owe all of my subscribers a huge apology. I am sorry. I've been a little bit MIA, but if you are a true supporter and lover and follower and friend of mine, then you must be following me on Instagram as well, and you must have known what was going on. No, I didn't get sick or die or anything tragic. I was traveling. I was in LA. I went to 2 conventions, had a lot of fun, came back to just like, I just felt like I was drowning in work, and I'm just so happy to be back in my studio here filming, creating content for you guys. It just feels so good to be back here filming, y'all. You don't even know. I decided to sit down today and film a first impressions video using, obviously, products I've not used before. So you'll be going on this journey with me while I use these products for the first time on camera. Stay tuned till the end of the video because I have a giveaway going on my Instagram, and I'll be sharing all the details. So without further ado, if you guys would like to come on this journey with me, keep on watching, let the games begin, and let's get started. It's been a while, I know. I'm a little nervous to be doing a full face of products that I've never ever used before on my face. I'm a little worried. I'm just a little worried. But we are going to get started. The first thing we're going to start off with is the Insta Grip Jelly Primer by Derma Blend, and this is a 3-in-1, so I'm just going to read the back, and it says Makeup Gripping Primer, Instant Moisturizer, and Tightening Mask with up to 24-hour staying power. It's a slip-free primer, so let's go ahead and let's put you on. Let's see what you're all about. Oh my gosh, it came out like slime. Okay. Oh wow, this is like really sticky. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can see that. It feels like hair gel. This is really strange. Oh my gosh, this feels kind of wrong. Oh yeah, this is definitely sticky. So for eyebrows, I usually do use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony, but believe it or not, we are using a new brow product, and this is the Revolution Pro Eyebrow Cushion in the shade Ebony. It's an eyebrow cushion, people. Interesting. I'm like still trying to figure out how I feel about the product. You know, I have to say, so far, filling out my brows, I am liking the effect I'm getting. You know, it's like, it's easy to work with. The only issue that I can see having with this product is that I'm a very visual person, and looking at this product, how do I know, like, other than feeling it? Like, just by looking at it, I don't know when I'm running out. You know, like when I'm on the way to I'm probably gonna need to get another one of these before I'm completely out. So that's my only issue. Like with my dip brow, I can visually see when she's on her way out, when she's done, when I need to replace her, you know. Okie dokie, so it is definitely the time to go ahead and do some foundation now that the primer is on and my eyebrows are on. I'm gonna take the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation by Laura Mercier, and this is in the shade Ganache, and I'm really excited because they sent this to me. Hopefully it's like the right shade. I kind of have to work simultaneously with my foundation and my concealer, so I am also going to be taking the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Longwear Concealer, and this is in the shade 6W, so just so you know what I'm going to be using for concealer and foundation, I'm kind of working together with them. She's looking orange! As it dries down, it's looking a little better. It's still kind of orange for my liking, but we're just gonna carry on. Now with a concealer, this is in the shade 6W, and I'm just gonna go ahead and... What's going on? Where's my concealer? Why is this concealer the same shade as my foundation? We're gonna have a little issue. Let me blend you out and see what we're working with. It's the same as my foundation. So that concealer is not doing anything for me. I'm sorry, we're gonna grab my Shape Tape. Yeah. I mean, I guess that concealer would be great for you know, if I don't want to wear foundation, I just want a spot treat, but I need some brightness on the face, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna prime my eyes with my concealer and carve out underneath my brow, and I'll be back because those products are nothing new. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just put the Laura Mercier Sheer Perfecting Powder. I'm gonna just sweep that on. It's making me look airbrushed. We like a good airbrush look, you know? It didn't make me ashy, which I like, so that's cool. Complexion wise, we are looking okay. I'm not exactly sure how I'm feeling completely about the complexion yet, but it is definitely time to go ahead and jump into eyes. And I'm very excited to take the Ace Beauty Paradise Collection palette, and this is the Paradise Fallen palette, and she just so gorgeous and purple, you guys. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can get a better look at what we're doing. The first shade I'm taking is Dusk. So I'm gonna go ahead and place Dusk on my crease area. We are definitely getting great pigmentation, and it is blending out very nicely. We're just gonna go ahead and run this along our lower lash line as well, being sure to connect the top and the bottom. Eve is such a pretty color, so that's what I'm gonna be taking next. I'm gonna go ahead and pack Eve on my outer crease region here before I start blending anything out. Build up that pigmentation. So now I'm just gonna start slowly blending Eve towards my inner corner. I'm also going to buff this shade out. We are also taking Eve again along that lower lash line just to add some definition and smooth things out. And you know, you want to connect the top and the bottom right here. For some added intensity, I will be taking the shade Shadow. We're going to place shadow right at the very end for that added intensity and just slowly start blending things in. I'm just taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Side Waterproof Eyeliner, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my lower lash line. Next, I'll be taking the shade Blackout and Shadow. I'm just going to go ahead and smoke out my bottom lash line and smudge out that eyeliner. Taking my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my crease. I'm going to take the pad of my finger and blend out that harsh edge of our cut crease. Taking just a little bit of Eve, I'm going to go ahead and blend this outer portion of our cut crease. The next shade I'll be taking is Orion. Just gonna go ahead and start filling in that cut crease with the shade Orion, and I'm packing this shade in. So with some concealer on a liner brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue this cut crease all the way. I'm gonna go ahead and continue this cut crease all the way out. And we're gonna blend this edge in. So I'm not done with the eyes yet, but I gotta get in real close to this mirror so I can do a nice crisp wing with this eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this wing, complete this eye, and I will be right back. I just want to let you guys know what lashes I'll be using today. I am using the BeBella Lashes in the style Majesty. Okay, so we are all done with the eyes, and I have to say the lashes, I am feeling these lashes. They're nice and fluffy, and they've got these wispy ends and like they're clustery, and those are like my favorite lashes. So first things first, I've already bronzed when I did my complexion in the first part of the video, so now it's time to go ahead and contour, and unfortunately I don't have any new contour stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take the Douce palette from Juvia's Place, and I will be taking the shade Chocolat, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do some contour to cut it up real quick. So trying some new things when it comes to blush and highlight. So to put some color back into my face, I will be grabbing my Glamingo palette from Violet Voss. I am going to be taking the shade Sweet Cheeks for blush today. So if you use, I feel like if I use too much of Sweet Cheeks, it might come off ashy. And that's not what we're going for. We never want an ashy look. So this is the Laura Mercier blush, and This is the shade Sangria. Oh, I think this is gonna be so much better. We are looking better. I'm just gonna go ahead and diffuse this now because that ashy one is making a statement still. So staying in the Glamingo palette by Violet Voss, I will be taking the shade Fake and Bake, and we're gonna go ahead and highlight because we need to highlight the face. Okay, she's cute. She's cute. Okay, I like this color. It is time for lips, and for lips today I will be taking the liquid lipstick in the shade Seductive by Galactic, and I've never ever used any of their stuff, so I'm really excited to try this. And I'm gonna do a little bit of a lip liner, just, you know, just to be on the safe side. And I am using the Nabi lip pencil in the shade Plum. So let's go ahead and hit it with this lip paint in the shade Seductive by Galactic. This is gonna be like a this looks like a deep orchid shade. Like a deep orchidy magenta. Oh, she's pigmented. Oh, yes. Okay, cool. So I'm basically gonna top this off with a lip topper, and can you guess what that means? I will be using a Jouer lip topper, and she is gonna be in the shade Rose Gold, okay? Stunning. Just take your moment to shine, honey. Take that moment and shine. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh, and it smells so good. It smells like cupcakes. Yum. Wow, the amount of reflex in here is it almost looks like a foiled metallic. Okay, yes, I'm living and I'm living and loving, Last but not least, it is time to set the face, and I'm going to be taking the Ofra Makeup Fixer, and not something that I use, so I'm gonna go ahead and try her out. Oh my gosh, oh my god, I feel like I'm taking a shower. Whoa, this is like, okay, look at my shoulder. My shoulder is soaking. Look at my face. Okay, you guys, so that pretty much wraps up our video for today. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me on this one. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this one. If you liked this video today, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share this video, drop some comments down below. Are there any products that you saw in today's video that you've tried or are dying to try, can't wait to get your hands on? Let me know. For those of you that like to follow me on all of my platforms, I am on Snapchat, Instagram, and I'm also on Twitter. I will leave the link for all of that down below, along with the products that I used in today's video. I do want to mention, people, I would love to mention that I have a giveaway going on my Instagram, and there are going to be 3 winners, not just one, but 3 lucky people, and there's a surprise going along with each giveaway that I will be updating on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me on Instagram so you guys can stay in the loop, in the know of what's going on. So to enter the giveaway, you will be going to my Instagram page. You're going to go ahead and find this picture, click it, and you're gonna tag 3 friends. You must be following me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel. So, I mean, that is it. The giveaway ends on August the 13th, which is a Monday. For all of my babes out there watching, if you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead, click that subscribe button, show us some love. It's not gonna hurt you. So that's pretty much everything that I've got for you guys today. So I'll see you beautiful babes in my next video. Bye, you guys. Ooh, wait a second. Before I say bye, I'm just gonna go ahead and gonna place some videos right here for you. I know it's been a minute since I made some new ones, so I'm just gonna post some ones so you guys can watch it. Grab your snacks, grab your blanket. It's time to YouTube and chill, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye, you guys.